So anyways, I loosened them now. Okay, grab the washer. These we put specialties. I think they're called. I forgot what they're called. They're studs. Yeah, that's what they're called. There we go. The bolt. I forget which ones are longer, which ones are shorter, but I think these studs are maybe longer than the outside ones. Just make sure you don't lose these down there. Okay, now I need to undo those. That takes if I remember correctly, that takes a 10 millimeter. Or 10. Because just trying to take off the head right now. See how much carnage is done to the cylinder and rod. Because we know the rod's gone by the holes in the engine. We're going to go see what's blown up in this thing and what all we need to replace. Okay, I'll set that right there. There we go. Let me take out that washer before I lose it for alternity. And be careful with setting the head like upside down, stuff like that. This and there's a little pin underneath it. It'll come undone and you'll end up having to go back through it, and because if you don't do it right, these will stick up and it'll always keep the valve slightly pushed open. cylinder looks a little bit clean. Maybe a little bit of wash in the cylinders. Pull this out. We'll pull off the gasket. Oh yeah, I need to take these studs out too. I'll throw that in there. Keep it standing up. And you don't have to really tighten down these studs, you just gotta make sure you have enough thread on top and bottom. You don't really torque these down, if I remember correctly.